everybody, it's Maddie here, and today I'm going to be opening up Disney Earth Day pins that are from Box Lunch. Hoping for Forky. If we get the whole set, then it's cool too. Is there one pin per bag? I'm just trying to move it down so when I slice it, then I'm not slicing the pin. And they got Stitch. I didn't know that they were so small. It's a good one. That's good. Oh, Forky! That's the one I wanted. He's right near the recycling bin. He's trying. Because he's trash. Oh, and Stitch is flowering. I was about to say flowering a plant for some reason. But he's watering a plant, not flowering a plant. And there's a green alien by Earth. Another Stitch. Flowering a plant. Flowering. I keep saying flowering. Watering. I don't know why I keep saying flowering. It's like the most weirdest thing ever. I don't know why I said flowering. I don't even get where I get flowering from. Minnie is holding a little version of a plant. I don't know what this cat's name. Marie with a plant. And another one of Marie and a plant. These bags are so hard to get out of the box. Oh, I got another Forky. Now I can keep one, and my mom can sell one or trade one. I didn't mention how many boxes there were. Here's another Marie with a plant. And Winnie the Pooh is the last one. So these ones and the duplicates right here, you'll be able to find at my mom's Facebook channel, Disney Friendships and Collectibles. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell to see our next video. See you guys later. Bye.